Hi guys, welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. In today's show, we are going to see how to create a Power Automate flow to read the tables from an Excel file, any number of tables, it's a generic flow, and to create those tables into a CSV file and then save that file into OneDrive or SharePoint location. So let's dig in and see how this can be done. But before that, a small intro. So let's see how we can create this flow. So this is just a manual trigger button, like we can initiate the flow as per our convenience, right? And after that I have taken the get tables connector of the OneDrive Excel. So if you see I have if I show the step, add an action, so get tables, right? So once you search that, you will see this get tables Excel online, or there is OneDrive get Excels as well, and you will see this connector here, right? Then you have to select the location of your Excel file. So it's in OneDrive for business, so OneDrive, and then the Excel file reference, the Excel file name, right? After selecting that, if you see here the information, it will show get a list of tables in Excel workbook. So every connector has a information icon here, so you can get to know what that connector is doing, right? So after getting all the tables of the of this Excel, right, then we have to apply a for each loop for each table in that Excel. We have to convert those particular rows in a CSV format, right? So if you see here, I have added a apply to each connector, and after that this value, this is the dynamic value of each table name from the previous step, right? So you can select this value from here, from this dynamic content, by clicking that field, and then what I'm doing is I'm listing all the rows present in that particular table. So again, selecting the location, document library, the file name, and this table name, as you see, it's dynamic. So all the table names present in this Excel will be present in this for each loop, and this name will be passed dynamically for the table name. So this again, this name we can select from here. As you see here, name, a gray color text is written here, table name, right? So this is how we can list the rows present in that particular table. And again, if you see this information icon, it will show list rows present in the table, right? So after listing all the rows in that table, we have to create a CSV table out of that, right? So creating the CSV table, we have to, so what I am taking is the value here of the list of items. So all the rows which are red here, and then those rows are to be converted into the CSV table, right? So I am taking the value, the list of items here, and then columns mapping also you can do by selecting the custom. So if I select here custom, I can give the column name here and the value. As of now, I'll select automatic. I'll not do any mapping, the custom mapping of the columns. So automatic will give all the same column names as present in the Excel file, right? So once the CSV table is created for a particular table in that Excel, then we have to do, what we have to do is to create a CSV file. So this OneDrive connector for creating a file, if you see the information here, this operation creates a file. So again, all these connectors are searchable through by clicking this plus icon here and then add an action. So if you select here and then just search create a file in OneDrive, right? So You can also share create a file in the SharePoint here, OneDrive for Business and other uh, respective connectors information is there, so you can search and select whatever connector is suitable as per your needs, right? So what I'm doing is I am creating a OneDrive file by selecting the folder path where that file has to be created and the file name. So guys, remember this file name should be dynamic for the generic connector to work properly. So what I'm giving is the table name. So table name.csv. So suppose 10 tables are present in that particular Excel. So this will create 10 CSVs out of that table name it's reading in that one particular Excel, right? So again, this name is dynamic and can be selected from here. If you see the name here, right? And this output is the uh, CSV table which is created in the above step. So if I select this file content tab, and then I have to select this output. So this output is the table which is created in this previous step, create CSV table, right? So this is all guys you have to do for this generic Power Automate flow. Now if I click on test, I should able to see a CSV file out of this ADF test uh, Excel file which should be created in that particular folder. So I can test the data by clicking the test and then clicking this, run the flow, done. And then if I see here my flow is running, right? It's getting all the tables from that particular Excel and converting it into CSV. So here it might take some time depending on the number of rows in that particular Excel which you have connected. So give it few more seconds to complete. And here you go guys, it's completed. Let's see in the OneDrive if a CSV file is created. Let's refresh this. And here you see a few seconds ago a ref organization CSV was created, right? So this CSV file was created by that Power Automate flow. So it has around 7,000 rows. So let's see the steps which is showing in the input and output, what it shows here. This is just a manual trigger input, right? So here if you see get tables input, it will show the file name which we have selected, and in the outputs if you see, it will show the table name which is ref organization. That's why if you see the file created was ref organization.csv. So the table name.csv which we have given in our dynamic code, right? So this is the output to get the table names, and then apply to each table name. If you see here in this list rows, so in outputs there will be a file of that particular table name ref organization. All the rows are listed in this step for that particular table, and then created the CSV out of that. So this input will be that Excel table which is read here, and output will be the CSV file again, right? So then the output from this, which is this CSV file, is going into creating the CSV file. So this input in this OneDrive connector is the CSV file, and then it's creating that file in that particular OneDrive folder which we have given. So if you see here, the file name it has picked as ref organization.csv. So ref organization is the table name in that Excel.csv, right? And then this is the location or the folder which we have selected in our connector, right? So guys, hope this Power Automate flow will help you in converting your Excels to CSV requirement. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel to learn more. All right. Thank you guys and see ya.